first things first, we gotta get into the cocktails, right? What's a girl's brunch without a mimosa? But not just any mimosa, this is a Piña Colada Mimosa. And how we do that is we take a little bit of coconut rum, and y'all know I like to eyeball, right? Coconut rum and pineapple juice. And then we're gonna shake that on ice. And then of course, top it with champagne or sparkling wine, whichever you have. But it's all about also making sure that your glasses look pretty. So I'm gonna take some lime and go around the rim and dip it in this sugar. Look at that, super cute. A little bit more lime on this one, into the sugar. There we go, easy. And you can use color sugar too to make it nice and special. I'm gonna shake that. Okay, and we're gonna go into our champagne flutes, just like that. I'm always pouring 2, but just 1. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do right here, okay? And then we're gonna top it off with a little bit of bubbly. There we go. Okay, so after you get your bubbly in there, you always want to garnish your drinks. I always say it's like leaving the house without your jewelry or your lipstick or your watch if you're a guy. You have to make it pretty. So I have a little wedge of pineapple and then just a little cherry. And there's your Piña Colada Mimosa. Let me taste it for quality control. Y'all, this is good. It's delicious. You gotta try this. I highly recommend it. Okay, y'all know that I say you can't start any party or any meal without a good cocktail first. So we're doing this Caribbean rum punch. First, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of dark Caribbean rum. Y'all know I like to eyeball it, right? It's just a little bit. Then a little bit of light rum as well. And then we got orange juice and pineapple juice to make it nice and tropical. And some simple syrup, and also some lime juice and grenadine. So that's a little bit of pineapple juice, a little bit of orange juice. I'm gonna squeeze some fresh lime. Please do fresh lime. I know they make those little lime squeezy things that they sell in the store. Don't do that. Trust me, fresh lime is what you want. This is a little bit of simple syrup. You can buy simple syrup or you can make it. It's just equal parts water and sugar. And last, for some color and a little bit of taste, grenadine. So now we're gonna shake it, shake it, shake it, and pour it over ice. Just like that. And trust me, this is something that you can make ahead of time. And then when you invite people over, the drink is already done. You can make it in a huge batch or make them one at a time. The choice is yours. And I'm all about garnishing the beverages. So I have just a couple of fresh orange slices. Then I'm going to put just a little bit of pineapple. A little bit of pineapple on the side, just like that. And now the only thing left to do is taste it. Let me see if we are immediately transported to the Caribbean. I'm in Jamaica or the Dominican or somewhere. This is it. This is the one.